Asikubingelele sikwamukele kule channel. Sicela uqiniseke ucinze lapha ke usubscribe button. Ugogo ku Hellen Zille ke usethuke ke ubuholi bayo EFF kunayo lapha ke EMK wabiza ngokuthi izinja. Lokho ngikhathi ke iphendula ke imibuzo lapha ke akade ibuzwa ke izintatheli lapha ke sithangameni sabendaba sokuthi ke kubukeka sengazuthi ke iGauteng bayiluza ikuphi akanalona uvalo ngokuluza kweGauteng manje naye akanankinga as long as nje ehlenga abantu basesifundazweni sakaZulu Natal ebuholini bezinja bayo lapha ke EMK kanye nayo ke lapha ke EFF ke lokho ke yena ke beyiqembu le DA ke lokho kobe kwanele suse komkhulu kumsindo ke lento ngokubiza ke abantu ngezinja ubuholi ngezinja impela ningizimu Afrika kusakude lesi yakhona.
Now that you're sitting where you are sitting, in your love letter, you say Gauteng, KwaZulu-Natal, National is one package. What do you do if Gauteng collapse? Because it's about to collapse. It's 9/11. It's going to collapse.
Let me say that we agreed that we wouldn't conclude the Gauteng negotiations until we'd concluded the national negotiations. But they stand separately. So we aren't, and I'll be quite honest, I mean, we could threaten to bring KwaZulu-Natal down if they don't agree to the document's terms in Gauteng, but we're not going to do that. We're not irresponsible people. We don't want to hand KwaZulu-Natal to MK and the EFF. It would be a total disaster for that province. So we're not about to do that. There are other levers that we're going to use, obviously there are. But we're not going to say the people of KwaZulu-Natal can be thrown to the dogs, not at all. And we are also going to say that unless we have a respectful settlement in Gauteng, we're not going to sit and do negotiations around the reconstitution of all the metros like Ekurhuleni and like Johannesburg and like Mogale City. Because we have to build a basis of trust with the ANC, and they must tell us the